Getting appointed with Volta Online is quick and automated. You can get appointed in two ways. The first is automated during your submission process. If you are in Appulate and ready to bind a policy, but you are not yet appointed, once you click the Bind Request button, it will guide you through our one-step automated process. Once everything is completed, loaded, and signed, you will click the Request Appointment button. You will receive an email notification when approved, and your status will be updated to Appointed. You can then navigate back to the insured file to continue on with requesting to bind. The second way to get appointed is by going to www.voltainsurance.com and click on Producer Login. If you already have an Appulate username and password, log into Appulate, click on Markets, Selected, and choose Volta. Then go to the Appointment tab and complete the automated appointment process. If you do not remember your username and password, or not sure if you have one, click on Forgot Password, and you can reset your password. You will be asked to electronically sign the appointment agreement by clicking on the appropriate icon on the right. You will also be asked to attach the documents listed here. Do this by clicking Select and browsing your computer for the documents, or use the simple drag and drop feature. When you attach a document, choose the appropriate type from the drop-down menu. If you have any questions, please email info@voltainsurance.com or call 805-409-4704.